Hey guys, Andy here. I never knew why these GoPro knockoffs had so many of these attachments, and I used every single one. Right now, there's a good. Right now I'm doing a time lapse, 2-second time lapse. I figure that's good enough, and yeah, we started at 29.41 volts. I just flicked it on and then realized I wasn't filming. It doesn't really matter. So anyways, yeah, we're pulling 440 watts, 387 watts AC. It's just, it's here. Where's it going? What am I powering? It's a heater that goes outside. I'm not even joking. I'm running a heater outside because it's too hot out. This will be a nice optimal load test. I want a 15 amp load test, and yeah, this thing, just the fan outside works perfectly. I need to reset this guy though. To reset the watt hours, you have to hold this, and then when the screen changes, you have to just keep holding it, and then it'll cycle through and say clear, and then you release, and then the watt hours will start flashing. Then you press the button again and it'll set to 0. How long it goes.
What are you talking about? I want to be in the show.
Yeah, you want to be in the show? Who's arresting them?
I am. I'm the police. I'm the police.
What is that? Oh, there's a sticker on it. What is this supposed to be? Stinky cheese?
No, this is supposed to be tissue box.
Why is tissue box the police?
Because I am tissue. And everyone doesn't like tissues. Ah, no one likes tissues. You are bad police. Bad police.
Where do you learn this from? Just a quick conclusion video. So I need to take this off, sand it up, and reapply dielectric grease. I think I'd like to do it on these two contacts as well. I calculated 4,500, and definitely the only reason it was lower is because of this wall. Now thankfully I have acquired better batteries. You can check my video I posted yesterday about the batteries that I've found. I'm working on other things too. I want to connect this guy to these. I know it looks like a mess, but basically, you know, I want to create a mini power wall that's portable, that I can take around and show to people and be like, hey, this is what I make. Thanks guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. Probably wondering why don't I go outside? Well, I do go outside. I'm outside right now. I definitely don't live in luxury, but I do have a tiny bit of a green thumb. I like growing. Yeah, I really like this plant. Don't know what it's called though. I'm also half decent at passive aggressively growing kale. kale is an ugly plant. Jeez. What is the deal with this stuff? It's growing leaves off of leaves? Weird. I should cut this down and actually eat it. The lettuce is taking on interesting shapes that I've never seen before. Got some wonderful zucchini. I got this unhappy kale plant. I have some big fat radishes. I'm actually not really that keen to, eating this stuff. Look at this. What is wrong with this lettuce? It's because they're supposed to be in the sun, and this is in the shade all the time. It's just stupid. Zucchini is a weird plant. Look at this. It looks like a spinal cord. Weird plant. Probably getting to the end of its cycle. Not much grew off this stuff either. Next time it'll be grown out back properly. Yeah, I do have a little bit of a green thumb. I do enjoy, destroying plants. But yeah, I do enjoy it. I have a lot of roses. In the springtime I had a lot of nice roses. Now I don't have very many. So I got these weird plants. These grew up, I thought they were these guys, but they're tubulars. According to my mother, she said that they're not potatoes, they're tubulars. So, yeah, really nice though. Yeah, I really enjoy this. This started off as one tubular, or potato, and turned into probably 20, and now there's probably 100 underground. So in the fall time I'll dig them all up, and yeah, I'll have a shit ton of them to give away to friends and family.